everyone, this is Mickey. Kag-welcome sa akin nga IGTV vlog. And today, it's cooking time once again. And for this episode, I am going to prepare ang adobong sitaw in oyster sauce. Ang sitaw ka naman, latoy. So, buhay ko rin siya gusto nga i-prepare but I wasn't able to find time nga magpakal kang latoy kag kaina aga pa ako ng pabanwa para lang mabakal kang latoy. And since I decided to spend my day here in the farm, so sa adobong sitaw in oyster sauce will be my dish kag akin nga idapli karon sa tag-irikma. So without further ado, here are the ingredients. So this is my first time nga magraha kang adobong sitaw or adobong latoy in oyster sauce. Last time when we went here and nag-camp, attempt kami nga mag-himo, but then kulang-kulang ang ingredients. Although naraha naman, but of course it's not as good as syempre kung kompleto ang ingredients. So tilad, I will attempt to cook adobong sitaw in oyster sauce myself. So, I don't know kung ano ang ana na guha kadya karon, but I trust my cooking skills. So, let's see later. Mudya ang latoy or sitaw. So, what I'm going to do is, of course, to chop this na saktuhan lang para sa akin nga the plate since ako lang sarili siya. So I finished chopping the onions and the garlic already. So I'm going to chop this and we'll start cooking. So I've finished chopping all the vegetables and other ingredients, solid ingredients. So right now, the most challenging part for me actually is to prepare the fire. So but I have already mastered the skill of building a fire, so it's gonna be easy. After 15 minutes, kay wala ako ulit i-uring, so I made use of the pieces of woods that we got last time. So, amura, medyo mabuhay. So, after kariya, kumain tayo. Rin ang akin nga adobong latoy in oyster sauce. I don't know kung ano ang lasa na kadya. In fairness, medyo bawal lang kalayo, so nasunog ang sibuyas kagahos. But all in all, seems like it tastes like though ano man, adobo. So, I'm having my lunch now and halfway rin ako makaubos ang dapli. In fairness, adobo man na. I can taste the oyster sauce, of course. Not bad. You should you should taste my adobong latoy. I love how tender the latoy is. I think sakto-saktuhan na ang pag-tenderize ko kang pag-simmer ko kang latoy. So hindi siya matigdas. Hindi man siya tama ka lata o kung very tender. So saktuhan lang and it tastes good actually. Mayad lang gibat ng ako ka oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. So I'm having my lunch now. It's past 12 and I hope you're having your lunch as well. So enjoy.